Here's a 2012 Dodge Durango. More is better. More power, more space, and more fuel economy await in this uncompromising SUV. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Canadian Driver explains it's not too surprising that the 6-speed transmission shifts beautifully and that the Durango's buttery throttle tip-in allows for smooth, gentle driving away from a stop. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.